everyone, welcome back. This is Parvathi from Paru's Craftology. In this video, I'll be unboxing my first DT kit from Craftreat. So to be honest, I've already opened the box. I know what is inside. I was too excited not to open it. So you can understand that. But I thought I'll do an unboxing video anyways for you guys so that you'll be able to see what is inside. I really want to thank Priya for sending me such cool stuff. So there are some amazing stuff inside. So without any further delay, let's get started. First up are some beautiful chiplets. This gear set is my favorite. Some beautiful butterflies and leaves. Windows with some brick walls, grasses, garden elements. Some swirls and florets. Honeycomb is my favorite in this. Next up are the luscious chalk paints from Craftreat. I am in love with these shades that they have sent me, such beautiful pastel shades. I couldn't help myself, so I've actually done a detailed video on these chalk pens. So it'll be coming up soon. Next up are everyone's favorite Craftreat stencils, and trust me guys, I have a huge collection of these now. I already had few of them with me before this design team tenure, but now I have a huge collection. The best part about Craftreat packaging is that they mention how these stencils can be used, what all mediums it can be used, etc., and how it can be cleaned. Everything, anything you want to know about stencils behind these packages. So do check them out. These are now huge A4 size stencils, best for mixed media backgrounds, and I simply can't wait to work with these. And last up are these beautiful texture papers. I am absolutely in love with these colors and the textures. And we are done. This is the entire haul, and thank you so much Priya for sending me these. I'm so excited to start working with them. Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again, it's Parvathi signing off. Bye bye.